After the formation of the new government in 2018, the Council of Ministers led by then Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev decided to provide one government job to the family members of persons who were killed due to political violence during the period from 1993 to 9th March 2018. Later, the cabinet under the present Chief Minister, Professor Dr. Manik Shah, revised the decision by removing the specific cut-off date of 9th March 2018 from the scheme. As per the decision of the state cabinet, the scheme was named Scheme for Providing Employment to Members of Families of Persons Killed in Political Violence. A 6-member committee was formed for this scheme with Power Minister Ratan Lal Nath as its chairman. The committee invited applications under the scheme and a total of 38 applications were received. Out of these, 18 families have already been provided government jobs. The committee has now recommended employment for 11 more families. Addressing the press conference, the chairman of the scrutiny committee and Power Minister Ratan Lal Nath said that 5 applications were rejected as no political motive or grounds behind the killings could be established. Besides this, 4 more applications were also rejected.
এই পর্যন্ত আমরা 38টা পিটিশন পেয়েছি। 38টা পিটিশনের মধ্যে অলরেডি জব প্রোভাইডেড 18 জনকে চাকরি দেওয়া হয়েছে। আরও 11 জনের নাম আমরা সুপারিশ করেছি। 5টা পিটিশন রিজেক্ট হয়েছে, কারণ পলিটিক্যাল গ্রাউন্ড প্রুভ করতে পারেনি, সেজন্য রিজেক্ট হয়েছে। এবং 4টার মতো পিটিশন আরও ইনকোয়ারিতে বাকি রয়েছে।
During the press conference, Minister Ratan Lal Nath further stated that a total of 15,589 people were killed in the state between 1993 and March 2018, out of which several killings were politically motivated. He said that the BJP believes political killings should come to an end, and with this objective, the then Chief Minister and his cabinet had taken the decision to provide employment to affected families. The minister also claimed that such a scheme does not exist in any other state of the country. Bureau Report, Fact Finder.